flip mode, flip mode, flip mode, flip mode. Let's go, let's go. Yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Andre Dior. I'm the king of all of the madness, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications. And if this is your first time watching me, subscribe. Don't watch it and not subscribe. Join the family. Andre, Army, we bougie, we always slay, and we always get to the bag. So go ahead and subscribe right now. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag and also like a book bag review. So if you want to see what's in my bag, keep on watching. Duh. So I know you're like, all right, start the video, stop talking. All right, so boom. So the bag that I have is my book bag. This is the MCM Stark Stripe book bag from MCM's new collection for fall winter 2018. Yeah, that's how to do it. Fall winter 2018. This is it. It's black. The stripes is MCM. You know the brand. I had the brown one, the cognac color, but everybody has that one. I wanted something that nobody else has. And this one, I love the serial numbers right there, like on the back. Yeah, this is the medium size, and I also bought the matching MCM doggy keychain with it. This is the book bag. This bag, I know some people are going to be asking. You can purchase it at Saks, the MCM store, Bloomingdale's, Barney's. Yeah. And I think Bergdorf's, Goodman's, and Neiman's. So those are the places where you can purchase it. So let's start with the what's in my bag. So the first item, let me put this one mute for you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. No, I'm sorry. The British accent, it just be slipping out. So the first item I have in my bag. Y'all want me to hold it? Because I know sometimes people are going to be like, can you hold it and talk with it? So I'll do that. You know, it's so heavy to do that. Okay. The first item that I just pulled out of this book. I'm in college, so this is the college book. It's called The Jim Crow Law. I have to read this. It's a good book. So, yeah. And after, what's in here? I got sour power straws. I was eating them yesterday, so I'll probably finish them today, depending on, but yeah. Then I have, what's in here? I'm trying to hold it and talk at the same time. Just regular Apple Earpods. I also have, what's this? My Celine sunglasses. If you haven't already checked out my Celine shadow sunglass video, the link will be in the description. It's already on my channel. Go check them out. I did a whole review on them. The next item that I have is this Nautica body spray. It's not perfume, but it's like the cologne spray-on version of the cologne. But I keep this in my bag, Nautica. I have my my passport. It's funny. What else is in here? I have a portable charger, because you never know when your phone is dead. You gotta plug up your phone. And surprisingly, even though this is Panasonic, I got this as a gift like 2 months ago from someone. This really, your phone could be on 20% and this will take your phone to 100 in 10 to 20 minutes. No lie. The next item that I have, my handy dandy regular beat down card holder. But I use card holders because I always lose my wallet. So yeah, just a card holder with money and some cards in there. My debit cards and ID. The next item I have in my bag, my house keys. Whoa. And hand sanitizer. The generic one from Target. It's probably mad. Alright, let me put it against my shirt. Yeah. It's probably mad bright, but there you go, hand sanitizer. Sorry if my lighting's a little bright, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out my studio lighting. From NYX. Clear one, the NYX Lingerie. The best clear lip gloss ever. When you're not wearing makeup. Right now I have no makeup. This works wonders. Next, I got a Diane hard brush or whatever for the waves. You feel me? You know that. Y'all know they be drowned in. Period. Then I just have binders and folders and stuff. Do not make fun of my folder because it's childish. I don't care. It gets the job done. And it was on sale at Target. I have nothing in the small pocket. So yeah, this is the MCM medium stark stripe book bag. I think that's what it's called. The black version. That's been everything. Oh, oops. Last item. One more item. I forgot. My handy dandy pocket knife. If you can see it. Because I live in New York City and people are so crazy. Like, especially like right now, how the world is. People are so crazy. So you have to be prepared. So I'm like, I might as well also do a review on the bag since it's a what's in my bag / so this is it. In the back, you just have, it's like brown interior. You just have one main compartment. This thing is so thick to bend, but right there you see it says MCM. And I have the MCM, like, you know, your receipts and how to take care of the bag and stuff. And like one more sleeve in there for like a laptop or whatever. And then that's it. But the reason why I went with this bag opposed to like a Louis Vuitton book bag or a Gucci book bag is because the amount of stuff that you could pack in this bag, like this can even be like a carry-on for the airport. Like that's how much stuff it can hold. This little pocket, that's how it looks. If y'all can see, not much to it. Hold on, y'all probably want like a on my back view of how it looks. I love this bag. It's such a great bag. It's such a good investment and it lasts so long. Like my Cognate one, that when I had the brown version, the brown and MCM, I had it for 3 years and it lasted me. This I know I'll probably have for a very long time too, but I love it so much. So yeah, definitely, if you're thinking about getting MCM bag, get it. It's worth the money. This was $8.20 after tax, probably $8.50 or something. I don't even remember, but it's $8.20, and I'll link it down below in the description where you guys can purchase it. So yeah, I love it. So this has been my what's in my bag and my MCM Cognate Stark Stripe review. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank all of you guys for watching. I will have so much more content coming next. Go watch my rest of my videos. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you'll be notified for my upcoming videos. I'm so excited. I'm happy to be back and love y'all for watching. Bye y'all.